Do you want to make up to $1,000 or perhaps more, with very little effort and no prior expertise or money? It may seem impossible, yet it is doable. There are several ways to generate revenue that anyone may accomplish from anywhere in the globe. You'll discover how to generate money online by searching for keywords on Google in this video. Qmee is the website we'll be using for this. To learn every step, watch the video till the finish. So what exactly is Qmee and how does it function? Qmee is a famous website or app that pays you to do surveys and conduct online searches. When you purchase online, Qmee may also help you save money. Qmee pays you for taking surveys and browsing the web when you sign up, and it also gives you discounts on specific purchases. How to make money with Qmee? Firstly, Qmee searches. Many people are interested in Qmee searches, and the answer is that you may earn money by searching online and clicking on particular results. After you join up, you'll need to download the free Qmee browser extension to see Qmee searches in your browser. Qmee surveys are the second option. Although the returns are still relatively minimal, this appears to be the greatest approach to make money on Qmee. You just answer the questions in each survey and are paid the amount offered as long as you don't get rejected. Answering Qmee surveys earns users an average of $1 per hour, according to users. Finally, there are shopping discounts. This is more of a saving than an income, but it's still worth noting. You will occasionally notice discount offers in the Qmee sidebar after installing the Qmee browser extension, in addition to being rewarded for specific searches. Make sure you don't wind up buying things you don't need simply because there's a sale going on. Is Qmee a safe place to be? One of the most common queries in regard to Qmee is that is it actually legit? Qmee is safe and does not appear to be a fraud, according to the great majority of users. Despite the limited earning potential compared to other survey sites, Qmee has received unexpectedly positive customer feedback. For example, based on hundreds of evaluations, both the Android and iOS Qmee mobile applications have an average rating of 4+ stars. Qmee also appears to provide superior assistance than any other survey site we've encountered, responding to user feedback on a variety of platforms in a timely manner. What is Qmee's remuneration structure? Any survey site's earning potential is determined by two factors. First, on average how much you can make each hour, and second, how many surveys are available each day for you to complete. You can make a lot of money if there's a possibility of earning each hour, and there are infinite surveys accessible. You can make money through Qmee searches as well, although your rewards will likely be lesser than they are from surveys. What is Qmee's method of payment? PayPal and gift cards are two options for payment. The minimum payout is 1 cent. In the realm of survey sites, Qmee is unique because there is no minimum compensation requirement. You can cash out at 1 cent if you earn 1 cent. Qmee's payment method, on the other hand, has several flaws. For example, you must first link a confirmed PayPal account to Qmee. Regardless of how you wish to get paid, you must link a credit card, debit card, or bank card to verify your PayPal account. After that, you can easily withdraw your Qmee profits via PayPal. Getting paid using a gift card, on the other hand, is a little more complicated. To begin, you'll need to withdraw at least a portion of your earnings using PayPal. Before you can cash out to a gift card, you must verify your identification by withdrawing any amount from your PayPal account. Even 5 cents or 5 pins would suffice. Second, before you may request a gift card, you must have earned at least $5 or more. The smallest amount you can cash out to a gift card is £5 or $5, just enough to purchase you and your pal a cup of coffee. Don't worry, when you pay out your rewards to your PayPal account, there is no minimum cash out amount required if you fulfill those requirements. You may obtain an Amazon, iTunes, or Starbucks gift cards. Qmee sign up. Signing up for Qmee is simple, but always keep in mind that you may only sign up if you reside in one of the following countries: Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, or the United States. Also keep in mind that before you may be paid by Qmee, you must have a confirmed PayPal account. The complete sign-up procedure should take no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Follow these steps to sign up for Qmee. Step 1. Go to the Qmee registration page. Step 2. Fill in your email address and password, then check the box and click Sign Up. Step 3. You'll then be prompted to download the Qmee browser extension, which you should do if you want to be paid for searches and receive online shopping discounts. Step 4. You'll then be given a quick tour of Qmee before being asked to submit some simple profile information, so that Qmee may start sending you surveys. Finally, you'll be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Go to the Qmee login page and enter your email and password to access your Qmee account. If you're serious about making money using Qmee, consider the following suggestions. Number 3. Concentrate on Qmee surveys. Qmee searches will make you very little money. Answering Qmee surveys will earn you more money, so focus on them. Number 2. Be wary of true questions. Many survey companies employ ways to determine if you're truly interested in taking the survey seriously. If they don't believe you are, they may deny you at any moment. Here are a few possibilities for survey quality control. The fourth question asks, answer C for this question. However, you picked option D. You're not reading the questions carefully enough. Or getting to question 12 in the survey should have taken 7 minutes, but you only took 2 minutes, you were rushing through the questionnaire. Or the question on the poll was, did you go to the theater last week? Yes, you answered correctly. How many times did you go to the theater last week? They follow up immediately and you respond with none. Your replies are incoherent and illogical. To put it another way, some of the survey questions are meant to ensure that you are following the rules and paying attention. So before you reply, take your time and read each survey question thoroughly. Number 1. Repetitive data input can be sped up. You may see some of the same questions in several polls, because they have multiple survey partners aiming to match different people to different surveys. Use software like a text, which is Mac only, or RoboForm, to speed up the process instead of typing out the same answers to the questions over and over. However, be cautious not to rush through each survey. This seems spammy to Qmee. As mentioned in the prior tip, slow down and carefully examine your answers to each unique question, making sure to be as truthful as possible. Extension for Qmee. Install the Qmee browser extension if you want to get paid for searches and receive savings when buying online. After you join up, you'll receive information on how to do so. The plugin is available for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. You'll notice a green Q symbol in your browser toolbar once you've successfully installed the Qmee add-on. There is an iPhone app and an Android app for Qmee. Overall, both receive high ratings. Qmee Referral Program. Qmee Affiliate Scheme. Some people use the Qmee referral scheme to make a lot of money on the site. However, you must use Qmee for a period of time before accessing the referral part of the site. We weren't able to figure out when referrals become unlocked, but Qmee says it's an automated progress. Qmee gives you the option of determining how much you get paid for referring friends to the website. They provided you with 3 alternative URLs to share, allowing you to choose how your prize is distributed. Take a look at the many links and reward choices. Link 1. You keep the entire prize, so you now have $1 in your pocket. Link 2. Your prize is split evenly between you and your buddy, so you each earn 50 cents. Link 3. If you're feeling very kind, you may gift your buddy the entire prize. Whichever rewards you choose, they only apply when someone you recommended to Qmee cashes out for the first time via PayPal. Keep in mind that earning money as a Qmee affiliate isn't always simple. To become a great affiliate marketer, you need to put in a lot of effort up front. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked this video, hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.